So you've been running the same old set of tires for a while now, and after a few seasons you don't know if it's time to buy new ones. Well, here's how to tell how much life is left in a tire. First and most important is the age. As the tire ages, it loses its elasticity and its ability to grip, and the older it gets, the worse it performs. As a general rule of thumb, it's not recommended to use tires older than 6 years. Some manufacturers like Michelin and Continental claim that their tires last up to 10, but personally I don't buy that. In order to find the age of your tire, you need to find the DOT mark, and right after it is going to be this small box which indicates the week and the year in which the tire was manufactured. So in this case it's the 33rd week of 2017 and this tire is 6 years old. The second most important thing you should look out for is the tread depth. Every tire has a maximum wear indicator over here in between the threads, and if it gets to that level, that means it's too worn out according to the manufacturer. I would recommend staying at least 1 or 2 millimeters above at minimum. And of course, the more thread you have, the better. Unlike this bolt motherfucker. Also, it's important to make sure that the tire is worn out evenly across its width. Sometimes, due to bad alignment, they can get worn out on one side and not the other. Or if they've been driven over or underinflated, they can get worn out in the middle and not on the sides, or vice versa. And also, it's important to check for any sorts of mechanical damage, like this tire, which was rubbing in the wheel well somewhere, or this one, which is rubbing against the fender. A couple more symptoms that you might experience due to bad tires are vibration at high speeds, maybe if the tire has a bump, or if it's been driven underinflated for a while, the car might start pulling to that side, so that's something you need to check out. And of course, keep in mind that bumps in the tires are only visible when the tire is mounted and inflated, so if it's not on a wheel, you won't be able to see it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, ask me something in the comments, and consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.